Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can view your 2025 Valorant Flashback. You can go to flashback.playvalorant.com to view it. So you can set up your language here, enter your Riot ID and tag. Okay, so, oops. Okay, hopefully it shows. I don't know. Okay, we're cooking up by highlight and low light reels. Sit tight while we load the experience. Let's replay some highlights. This is just like the stats here for I don't know. And there's also like a global one. If you want to skip it, just press on it, which I did because it's a little bit not very important for your stats. This is just the global stats. And if you want to, you can just skip to your stats, your stack here. I think you do have to go to the next one though, because they're still kind of compiling the data for yours. So here it is. Let's go closer to home, setting up you and your stack. How'd y'all do? Let's see. Also, this is not my account because I don't really play Valorant anymore, but anyways, it says won most games with this person. You too, there's just something special here. And then this one, oh, okay, it's the same person. Okay, that's same person again. The same person again. Oh my god. Okay. Sloppiest aim, okay. Alright. Okay. Next. And you can share it so you can save it here. Then you can go to the next stat. And then here you can roast your stack. So there's boast and roast. And then let's get personal, setting up you. Okay, in 2025, this is what you came for. Won the most with Viper and won the least with the Omen. Most killed Agent Clove. Okay, most killed by Clove. That's funny. Best weapon Vandal. Wait, I bet who's the guy? Brock? I bet his best weapon is an Odin. Worst weapon Classic. Okay. First Bloods lost. Why is Valorant roasting whoever is playing on this account? Clutches on, okay. Boast yourself, and there's also a roast yourself one. You play like a pro Mel, okay. Scroll. And here's where you can download it again if you'd like to. Yeah, I might start playing Valorant for next year's Flashback Valorant, but that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!